how to multi-stream on OBS Studio. So if you want to do a multi-stream on your OBS, what you're going to be doing is you're going to set up two sources of streams. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to settings. Once you come over to settings, you're going to go to stream. Now, once you come over here, you're going to make sure to connect two accounts for your Twitch. Okay. So you're going to go to connect account. Once you click on connect account, you're going to sign in with two of your Twitch accounts. Once you do that, you're going to use both of their stream keys. You're going to choose a good server. And once you do that, make sure the output is proper and precise. And once all of that is done, you're also going to want to make sure that when you start streaming, the display filters you have display both screens. Because as you can see currently, I'm displaying one screen, but I have three screens connected. So if I could just go ahead and use a display to show the second screen as well, but that only works for streaming, not for your screen recording. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.